Number 1. Wrap text. Wrap text is a tool that is used to break a long line sentence into multiple lines, something like from this to this. So to do that, place your cursor in the desired cell and then go to this option here that says wrap text. The moment you select the wrap text, it will do the job. There is a shortcut also to do same. Put your cursor in a sentence where you want to split and then press Alt plus Enter. That will also do the same. Number 2. Format Painter. This is also one of the most useful tools when we work with a spreadsheet. This tool can help you to copy format properties from one cell to another cell. I'll show you. So for example, I want to make this cell exactly same in appearance as this one. So what I will do, just select the source cell and go to the format painter and then select the target cell. This should copy the properties the way you want it. Also, if you want to change the format of multiple cells, then you can simply do a double click on Format Painter tool. And then after that, command will stay continue, and whatever cell you want to change, you can do it. To come out of the command, just press escape. Number 3. Select rows and column with keyboard. It's always fast when we use keyboard shortcuts in basically any software. So here we can do the same. Instead of moving your mouse here and there to select the entire row or column, you can hit Shift space to select row and Control space to select column, just like this. Number 4. Text to columns. Sometimes we want to split our sentence or text line into different cells. There is a dedicated tool to do so. I have made a special video about it. You can go to that video from I button over here. Number 5. Using the dollar to fix shift. This one I like the most and it's very useful to me sometimes. It may happen that when you have linked a cell in a formula and then you drag the cell to use the same formula, but when you do that, linked cell also shifts while dragging. So to prevent that, you can simply use dollar symbol. Keep the cursor to that cell number in formula and press F4. That will bring up the dollar symbol in your formula. And now when you drag it, the linked cell will not shift. Okay, that ends another video in our tips and tricks section. If you are new to Microsoft Office and want to learn more about Excel, Word or PowerPoint, then it might be a good idea to subscribe to this channel. There is a lot that you can learn from here. If you like this video, then thumbs up will be awesome, and you can comment your questions too. I will definitely come back to you. With that in mind, see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.